Good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back, welcome back. How are we all doing today? This is our broadcast this morning um, in the reference time. So I would like us to go through what we skipped last night because I was very tired last night, so I didn't stretch the program. We had about 33 minutes video last night, which is not it is new to us, right? Because sometimes we spend 1 hour going 2 hours in the broadcast, but this morning we are not going to prolong it much as well. So we are going to go through some of the information, and some people have seen it, some may not, but let's start. So what we're seeing here is a post made by this Afonja. So the post is kind of a response to Firstborn. I see you are the first person that made the comment this morning. I see your comment. Thank you so much, my brother. Nice to have you. Please like the video as you join. Like the video. Okay. We are only one minute 20 something 26 seconds. So and we have you in this program. That's nice to see you. Nice to have you guys. Thank you. And don't forget to like the video, like I said, and tell me what you think about what we are discussing this morning. This morning, we are going to spend some time together, like I said. Okay, the Daily Post says something that any attack on Igbo in Lagos will be met with unimaginable retaliation. Ohaneze and Igbo Youth Wing, okay, Daily Post. And my take on this is that because I don't like empty threat, that is one of the things I despise so much. I never ever tell. I mean, I don't like it. It breaks my heart to see an Igbo man, a man, making an empty threat. When you know that you can't do anything. Like me, I don't tell you that I will do you something when I know that I cannot afford anything. I rather maintain my peace and maintain my lane until I gather, what it takes to. That's one thing about PM that I love so much. He don't brag. He don't tell you, oh, we are going to when he's not ready. He may suggest that he would love to do this, like when he said that Biafran need aircraft and warship, that we are going to work on towards that. That's what he said. Then the Efulefus gathered together, start twist the whole thing, saying that, oh, he promised you that he bought this. Where is the airplane? Where is his warship? He did not say such thing. I decided not to go through that program because it's just like wasting time. And they are doing it deliberately. They know what they're doing, but they choose to do it because they feel that it's gonna hurt you, just to kind of see what you will do. You will be Fidelis. God bless you. Good morning, brother. Keep up your good work. Thank you so much for your comment. I can see your comment, my dear. Nice to have you guys this morning. Okay, like I said, do me a favor. Click on like button. It doesn't take you anything. So the same thing is what Ohaneze youth seem to, they seem to, they want to do it here. They seem to be doing, because you don't just say that it will meet unimaginable retaliation. You don't have any military wing. You don't have anybody known to anybody. And they say they are youth. That's another thing. Ohaneze youth. We don't know. I personally, I don't recognize them. I don't think people should pay attention to Ohaneze youth. It doesn't make that kind of sentiment is very funny, very very funny. So they said that if anything happened to Ndigbo in Lagos, so what is it that is going to happen to Ndigbo again that have not happened? What have we done? Nothing. The same Ohaneze youth, these are the same group that were busy trying to, not trying, they did it. They signed petition, they put bounty on PM. When you hear people that put bounty on PM, Ohaneze youth were the people. They were the one that, during the time of P2B's election and all that, Ohaneze youth was busy working hard on how to, bring PM down, how to destroy them. These are youths. They say they are. I don't think, when you look at their faces, and what are the kind of youth? People that cannot even do press off 10 times. So you are youth, isn't it? Anyway, Armstrong, good morning. Good morning to you. This old fools youth, my brother asked me, you mean Ohaneze youth? So they are kind of promising, giving fake hope to Igbos Lagos. And Afonja understand this, that you have nothing. You don't even have cutlass. You don't even have jackknife, let alone cutlass. And you are threatening people that because it's a threat. You're telling the Yorubas that if anything happens to Igbo people, they will meet unimaginable. Look at it here, unimaginable retaliation with Abamaka. It doesn't make any sense. Then, and their colleague from Afonja, though these ones are Efulefus, right? Then Afonja copied the same thing and made this whole post. Another empty threat as well. Look at this one. He said, "This is a strong warning to Ohaneze. Southwest is my region, and yours is mind your business. While you are here, any interference in the local politics and affairs of my state will be met with unimaginable consequences." this will be the last warning. Oh, this one they took it another level. Okay, you can see the two crazy people trying to make a point. You are threatening Igbo people. Afonja, that cannot even scratch their back, is now trying to tell you that they're gonna do this, you're gonna do it. You and Ohaneze youth are the same. These are the same senseless people. You cannot you can't give what you don't have. There's no way you give what you don't have. And let's see if you can see in another Afonja on comment section here. Okay, or maybe a Efulefus or real Igbo Biafran comment. Let's see. This one says, "Shut up, your smelling mouth, you pig." That is a Odogu of North Dakota. I don't know. Faceless coward, they give him in Papa warning. Another one, "No go find money." This one say, "Ndibo, I am coming." I don't know what I mean by that. This one said, "This terminable warning of yours have long elapsed. We are now impatiently waiting for you. Cowardly consequences." Okay. "If I wake up from sleep and hear Yorubas beating drum of war, I will just go back to sleep. Cowards. IBB 1993. Then this one said, "They are very F-word stupid. If you ask them, they will tell you one Nigeria. So one Nigerian guaranteed you to disrespect the other tribes and be doing as if you can compete or control things with them." In Anokwa, this one said is a queen. These are queen from Southwest. And one thing you need to understand is this. I'm not against you maintaining your protecting your tribe and fighting for your tribe. I'm not against it. What I'm against is you tagging everybody like senseless. To the minds of these Afonjas, they believe that academically they are sound than you. Wealth, they are richer than you. Traditionally, like heritage, they are better than you. They believe they have rich history than you. I even saw a comment yesterday where saw one of them making a comment. The post was like, he was comparing P Square with what's the name of this guy that always sing that is doing collab with Fino. His name is someone remind me, the Yoruba guy that is a rapper, Olamide. So they were counting people that Olamide helped, Asake and other people, and P Square. They put a video of P Square saying that before he help you sign in his record label, that you have to bring 10 million and landed property and all this blah 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 blah. That reason is because he gave reason even in that video. Yet they skipped that one and were attacking, not the attacking people a P square, they were attacking Igbos. Once an Igbo man do something wrong, and this is one thing about Nigerian journalists. Why? Because many Afonja, they are in business of journalism in Nigeria. They are the one piloting the affairs of journalism in Nigeria. So many of them, they are good at that. They are very good in writing jargon to suit the narrative. And one of these is this. When an Igbo man break world record, maybe in sports, for example, they will tell you a Nigerian man made us proud. And the Nigerian man have done that. Then when an Igbo man is being caught with a Ahike somewhere in any country around the world, somebody, this Igbo man from Southeast, one Mr. Chukwuemeka, caught with 777 kilograms of whatever. You know what I mean? They will just put it and hide it and call the name Boy. When a Igbo person have something to offer, I mean, they will tell you a Nigerian living in social country made us proud. He break world record. You have to read down before you see his name. Here, what this one is saying here is that one Nigerian does not mean that you have right to disrespect their, their region and even their tribe. I have asked myself, you making posts about Igbo people, what is disrespect? What is more disrespectful than that? To you is not, you are putting the fact record, you are putting, you are putting the record straight, you are putting the facts. That's what you think you are doing. But when things like what we also know about your own, if it's been mentioned, you say you are disrespecting your tribe and it's not about banter. If you are not ready to banter, don't banter. Expensive joke goes to somebody who knows who claims that he wants to crack joke. If you are not good in joking, maybe to you is a joke, why don't you just avoid it? See this one. Easy, my brother. I believe Igbos no go attack us and make Yoruba no attack them as well. Fight no good. Bigotry no they okay for both of us. Okay. Easy, brother. I believe Igbos no go attack us and make Yoruba no attack them as well. Sensible, more sensible, and somehow balanced. But please, with the craze, both old and young. Another person says, see this one, you are telling people that own your 70% of the state land not to interfere in election, but they are the one paying the highest tax in the state. How do you people even think? If anyway, let me say this. This is for advice to you as an Igbo person, but I'm not going to read the comment again because I have other things to discuss. So my advice to some of you that you are owing 70% of land in Lagos, no doubt. Whether it's 70 or not, whether it's higher or I don't care. But my take on that one is this: you purchase land in Lagos. There's something you see in Lagos that made you to choose to live there, to have even property in Lagos. All right? Why don't you maintain that? If election is coming in Lagos State, do not make it as if you are campaigning, you are the one choosing who will be the governor of the state. Because you have population in Lagos State, just keep quiet and go and vote. Since you choose to be in Nigeria, keep quiet and go and do that your vote. Whether they give you the person you want or not is up to you. And Yorubas, do not allow yourself to do not make yourself to look stupid in the eyes of other people. You say you are Nigerian, you don't like Oduduwa, you love this, you are one Nigerian so much, right? And you are conducting an election, then you send talks. Say, what is the purpose of the election then? No, there's no need to say you are doing an election. All you need to do, okay, Oba of Lagos, choose. Thereby will not choose. You guys hold constitution. In fact, you are the owner of the country. You are second-class citizen. while Igbos are third or fourth. I think they are fourth because South South are now taking over. Okay, so I believe since you are Igbos are foreigners even in Igbo land, to you we are all foreigners. We don't have any right in Nigeria, which I agree, and that's why we are fighting to have our own. So don't spend your hard-earned money purchasing land and building properties in Lagos. For how long are you going to learn? Last night, when I was reading the write-up of this man from Urobo, because I believe he's from Urobo, that man that were kind of addressing the issue of Igbos caused this and caused that, Igbos caused for protests and ran back to their houses. The man said something very crucial. He reminded us of what happened during the coup in 1966 and how Igbo properties were being taken over and Northerners grab it. But today, the children of the parents that lost their properties in the North are now back in the North, building more modern houses than what they left before. So is it the fault of Northerners that you fail to know and learn from what happened to your parents? Is it their fault? It's not their fault. There is nothing that will happen to Igbo people's properties in Nigeria today that I will feel bad. I'm not going to feel bad. Personally, I'm not going to feel bad because ignorance is not an excuse. You are too ignorant and too myopic. You don't see what others have seen. What a smart child do is this. They will learn from what happened to other people. If your parents refuse to tell you something, what happened, then it's okay. But when you grew up and you notice that you went to school, even if you did not go to school, somebody told you that this is what Igbos have their part. Now it's not too late. Let's assume that the one you built before, is a mistake. Why are you still pushing other people to continue doing the same mistake that you have done? How long are you going to learn? That's why for Igbo people to know what they want, they only focus on short-term goal. Like short-term goal is this house that will not last up to 100 years. It's a short-term goal. But your destiny that will last for ages. Okay? You are playing pranks with it. I don't hate Yorubas. If you want to build a house in Lagos or anywhere, it's up to you, but don't cry. I mean, don't cry and don't expect people to start fighting for you out of your stupidity and your ignorance. And the funny part is that many people that are building owning house in Lagos are people living abroad. Many of them. You that are living abroad, you know, you want to have land you want to have house in Banana Island. You want to have house in Ikeja. You want to have house in Abuja. You want to have in Kaduna. You want to have in, as if you are being integrated or being welcomed in the country. You are not. You're a foreigner, for crying out loud. You are living in a country where for you to vote. Only Igbo in entire Nigeria is only Igbo that have issue when every election they have issue, because the organizer and the owner of the country don't welcome you. You are still a suspect in the whole issue, in whole politics of Nigeria. You are still nobody, and you need to admit this. You need to accept it, because that's who you are. You fought war, and the war was declared against you. You lost everything. Even in Port Harcourt, which is a stone throw to Enugu and to Imo State, and your land, your businesses was taken over by your so-called South Southerners. Today, a lot of properties in Port Harcourt again are being built by Igbos. If you ask them, they'll tell you there's no seaport in your region. That's the weakest excuse, to be honest. If you want to build a house in Lagos, you can rent. You can build at least 2-bedroom flats, not mansions, not millions, worth of a house. You spend your hard-earned money, buy land, and the land you're buying is a potential land place that can be destroyed by earthquake any moment. Because in Nigeria today, if earthquake is to happen in Africa, like Lagos State is one of the easiest places that earthquake will occur. Go and check the history of earthquake and the land that earthquake can occur. Lagos is one of them. There's nothing in Lagos that will entice you I mean, to feel like without Lagos you can't do anything. Diana, I see your comment. You said, "Good morning, Kai reports. Those Yorubas ethnic bigotries are the people against their own Oduduwa freedom. They are set of criminals that have nothing to offer, mad people everywhere in Nigeria." Of course, they are against it. These are the same people. For you to know, they don't, all their posts, all their write-up, they don't put, and none of them don't have vision. When you call them coward, they say you are insulting us. What coward are known for hiding, like a mega gift of this world, like what is the name of the one that said that he's Imapales? All these people are cowardic elements, all of them, and they're quick to make threats, very quick to make threats, trying to drag two heads together and run away. Maazi Ugochukwu, Maazi Ndewo, good morning to you, my brother. Good morning to you all that made a comment, and God bless you. Please like the video. Like I said, it's very, very nice if you can do that. When you watch one video of this bigotries from Afonja, then you will start getting more notification. It's so annoying, to be honest with you, it's so annoying. Even one of the posts they made is that Igbos, because I was talking about P squares, and they even went as far as comparing that Asake is selling his music everywhere, and he sing with Yoruba language, that Igbos, those Igbo musicians that sing in Igbo local language, they don't have any, they don't sell their music and all that. But if you check their net worth, who is richer? I'm not here to brag or to tell you, but you need to understand this, that your music is one thing. One thing. It's not a bad language. It's not a bad language. Like Gogo Gongo. Gogo Gongo, nobody understands what it means from other tribe. Even some people don't even know what it means. But it's Igbo language. And the man, all the music, everything, all his song is in Igbo language. But was it not trending? It's trending. It's trending. People are having some good time with it. Music is not a bad language, it's a bad beating. The instrument, and maybe dancing step can make it go viral. Like some of the Yoruba musicians, they're singing it. When I was small, when I was young, as a little boy, my father used to play this what's the name of this Yoruba musician? Hey, I forgot that man. I love, even if the sound is playing on my head as I'm talking. Not fella. This man, Ebenezer Obe. Is it Ebenezer? Is Ebenezer Obe? Ebenezer Obe. Someone should remind me. Somebody Ebenezer. Ebenezer Obe, I think. He's a Yoruba man. So now, of course, so now there is popular another one. But Ebenezer Obe, Ebenezer something. Ebenezer somebody. My father don't joke with his song. All his music is, and Shina Peter, all the music is in Yoruba language. But the vibe is there. You have to vibe with it. But this tribal bigotries, they don't care. You want to, that Fino's music is not selling like any of your music. How is that a problem of Igbo people? That should be a personal problem that you have with the Fino. Don't drag the entire race to that. If I say that I don't like Shehu Kuti's music, I don't like his music. I'm not saying that I don't like, I'm just giving an example. So must I say, oh, Yoruba music are very bad because I don't like somebody's music? No, it's wrong. But they don't see it, and they will still come back and tell you they are educated. That in Southwest we are very educated. So where is your education? That you can't even know the differences between what you are saying. I mean, you just bring everything together and try to want to make it to make sense. People have right to say what they want to say, but to me, it is very, very wrong. Now, let's move to another thing. This is not to mock anybody, but this should be a lesson to some of you that I always choose tribal. Now, I will show you this man. I'm not going to show everything because this man have they're cutting with human head. Even in the video, there's woman. You will see the woman head, but I want to show you his face only. Okay, because some of these people, like I said, if you watch one of their video, you keep on getting more notification. These are Afonjas, and when you compare it with the one we have from our place, you know, you can see, I can see the face of the person that he killed. Now,
so it's okay. So it's okay.
let me hold on. Okay, you think we are good to go? This person you are seeing here, okay, this man you are seeing here was caught with human head. Okay, this guy. Now, this is ritualist. This person says something through media. I don't know this. I don't know the person through media. He shared this video. He said, "Man caught with a fresh human head in Amoloko area of Ibadan, Oyo State. A serious education is needed in Southwest Nigeria. They need to know that people only make wealth by providing solution and not by ritual killings." Why I'm bringing this is this. I have seen many posts from these Afonjas. Oh, Igbos are known for ritual. Igbos are known for ritual. You are ritualist, you are ritual. I have seen thousands of people video like this. Even the one in abroad, and Dahike, people that no tribe is known for wrongdoing. Crime is everywhere, just like good things are everywhere. But they always want to use it to look down on one particular individual, a particular race. That is where I have issue with them. Some of us, some of our brothers, Biafrans, are not happy with it. When you go to the comments, you can see that making comments. But some people react differently. You know, some of us, even what I mean by some of us, I'm talking about every human being. I'm not talking about Igbos. All right, human being are like that. The way you react to something is remarkably different from the way another person will react to the same issue. So, like what the post of this Afonja telling you that Igbos that he's sending last one, this should be the last warning to Igbo to Ohaneze and all that, which I'm not defending Ohaneze here because they are also a criminal. Ohaneze youth is one of these are Ohaneze is just like a different name to Afonja. They are the same. I'm not whatever they say, it doesn't matter. But what I'm trying to tell you is this: when you see them making such comments and utterances like that, and they paint it on everybody, that's where I have issue. And some of our brothers are not happy with. They're making comments that will trigger more Oduduwa to feel bad or to see reason with the post they're making. I have told you, if you are one of the people that follows rning, for example, you need to follow him, because what he do is this: everything he's saying, I don't believe that he's serious with it. Some of them don't mean, just like IPOB of Nigeria today. Most of the things they're saying, they don't mean it, because deep down their mind, they know what they want to achieve with it, but they put it in a way that will trigger you to give them what they want. What they want is engagement, like, view, to make money. That's nothing more. If rning is not making money, he will not be posting nonsense. He posts garbage for a living. rning posts garbage for a living. Most of these are for that. That's what they do. Post garbage, post nonsense, insult other people for a living. And they're doing it because Twitter gives that space. You can say whatever you want. You can insult and get away with it, which is very, very okay. Like, freedom of speech is good, but abusing it is wrong. Now, let's move to another thing. P2B mocks Nigerian government, saying 3 Nigerians won medals for serious countries at 2024 Olympic. You know, I told us that. Let me refresh, but I'm not seeing any comment. Okay, the comment is okay. So, like I told us in our previous broadcast, that many people don't believe that Nigerian went contested in the just concluded the Olympic in France, that Nigerian couldn't win single medal, just one single medal. They couldn't win anything, and the Afonjas, Tinubu's backbone, they are not commenting on that. They are relaxed. In fact, it's not a news at all. P2B said that three Nigerians won medals for serious countries. Meaning people that are supposed to be in Nigeria, I believe this could be maybe, I don't think the Yoruba people, I think people that are likely nationalized to another nations are mainly Igbo people. Mainly Igbo people. Or Biafrans, mean from South that believe in Biafra. Most of them are Igbo. I'm not saying that Yorubas are not, but it's not much. They're not much to compare. All right. So three supposedly Nigerians, according to P2B, won gold medals or silver or anything for other countries, but Nigerian were in all competition. They couldn't win one. All right, because of what? Bigotry. They see somebody that can perform well. No, because you are different. No, you are not. You are disqualified. Which I shared here. A lady complaining that she was looking for bicycle to exercise, to ride in Olympic. No provision, nothing whatsoever. How dare when you are give this person opportunity, that simply means that you are bringing some disabled people out from poverty. Therefore, don't do anything. Let me read what Peter B said. Let us go through it about the just concluded election. P2B comment doesn't really matter. Why I'm bringing it at all is for you to understand. Not even bros. Yes, nothing. They didn't win anything. Nothing. They lost everything in every competition in the Olympic. And they witness the other Nigerians that have nationalized to another country, that serious country, winning medals for that country the way they are. And Nigeria, because that's when you hear when people say that human capital, Nigeria is not only losing financially, they're losing also human capital. Because when you are unable to prove to your people that this is what you can offer, that means there's a serious issue. I'm trying to open this and it's not. Where is it? Okay. Excuse me. Let me adjust this a bit. Okay. Former presidential candidate of Labour Party, P2B, has mocked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu led Nigerian government over Team Nigeria's failure to win any medal in the just concluded 2024 Paris Olympic. He noted that some Nigerians won gold medal for other countries they represented. Will be in a series of posts on his X account on Monday. That was yesterday. Said that three Nigerians, okay, Yemisi Oguleye and Anate Echuwoke and Ebelechukwu Agbowunu and the 32 years old Nigerian American head coach of Nigerian female basketball team, the Tigris. Rena, I think that's the name of the person. Rena Walkman, named the best coach at the Olympic, all shown at the Olympic because they operate in better environments where talent are recognized and nations that take themselves seriously. The former Anambra governor said Nigerian poor performance at the 2024 Paris Olympic is a loud message that should challenge Nigerians to realize that the poor political leadership of the country will continue to harm the country. We continue to harm the country irrevocable until Nigerians dismantle the corrupt system and enroll a new Nigerian that is possible. He wrote He wrote the loud message from the 2020. He wrote the loud message from the 2024 Olympic after I lamented Nigerians okay, and I lamented Nigerians distrust outline in the 2024 Paris Olympic yesterday. I would like Nigerians not to ignore the powerful message from the global sports event. Why the giant of Africa finished without a single medal, where 9 African countries won medals. Nigerians still registered some positive at the global event in a way that brought out gladly our challenges. 4 Nigerians came out shining at the Olympic because they operate in a better environment where talents are recognized and nations take them seriously. He mentioned, so this person is a Yoruba person, and another person is okay. He said Yemisi won gold for Germany, Enechukwu and frustrated out of Nigeria won gold for United States of America, and Ebelechukwu one who already an athletic potentially at the age of 15 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, before changing nationality and region, won silver medal for Bahrain. And lastly, the 22-year-old Nigerian American head coach, Nigerian female basketball team, Str0ng, was named the best coach at Olympic for guiding Nigerian team to the quarter final. That is only things that seem to be good at all, because that the coach was named as one of the best. Okay, her incredible leadership and strategic power were noticed at various times. Nigerians continue to showcase their talent and prove that with the right environment and the right leadership, they can surmount all obstacles. This message should challenge us to realize that our poor political leadership will continue to harm us irreversibly until we dismantle the corrupt system and enthrone a new Nigerian that is possible. This is what P2B said, and to me, like I said, it doesn't really matter. P2B is a one Nigerianist, so whatever he said is his opinion. So the thing is that most of them that are in some of this world that are always defending P2B, Ahmed Tinubu, and ranting on his page, oh, Igbo this, Igbo this, Igbo that, Igbo. They will still come out and blame Igbo people for not those Igbo that represent in another country and want something. They will invent their anger on them, on Igbo, not even on them, on Igbo people. How can you do that? Because you guys are trying to destroy Ahmed Tinubu. That's why you join another country. Don't you feel that you're going to win medal? Okay. So another thing that I want you to pay attention is this: tribal bigotry. Oba Akiolu of Lagos must apologize to Igbo Nigerians pro-democracy coalition. So these are the people molding this tribal bigot, from Oduduwa land. Why I'm saying this is not that we are trying to make sure that we fix it so that the country will move. No. What I'm trying, because when Biafra comes, one thing we cannot change is neighborhood. Okay? Neighborhood, because Igbos and Yorubas, we are still neighbors. These are going to be, whether they are still in Nigeria or they go with the Oduduwa. You can't change. You can't tell Yoruba, okay, you guys should shift. Let Mali, let Ghana come and replace. So we want to share border. These are nature. You can't shift it. So there's no way you can get rid of Igbo from your neighbor. You are neighbor, we are neighbor. The only thing different is this: we have to maintain boundaries. What baffles me is the same people like Oba that I mentioned here and people that he's recruiting, they don't waste time to tag Igbo people with horrible names, trying to mock, trying to look down on Igbos. They don't waste time to do that. They will still come back to tell you that that Nigeria is indefeasible. You cannot divide. When you tell them, okay, I have had enough, I want to go, I don't want to remain with you, let me go, I want to build my. They will tell you no, that Nigeria is one. Nigeria cannot afford to lose. Since you don't like me, what's your problem? Then who is the problematic here? Like the video that we made, was it yesterday or the day before yesterday, where one of them said that Igbos are committing nuisance in their land. So you refusing somebody that you hate so much, you don't champion, you don't preach that they should go. You actually trying to, make it look like they are the one begging you to stay. You beg something that you hate to remain with you. You also say that they are this, they are that, this, they are that. None of them have seen what happened in Oduduwa land. Let me look for that video. I'm not going to show you the body of this man they killed. They killed somebody in Oduduwa land. Fulani herdsmen killed the person. Okay, they killed the person Sunday. His name is Sunday. Let me look for that post. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. If you see our circle. Just give me some time. Let me bring it up. This man happened. He was a farmer, okay, in Yoruba land. Okay. Now, this vehicle you are seeing here, okay, the vehicle you are seeing here is the vehicle that they brought to pick the body of the farmer in Oduduwa land. This place you are seeing, if I scroll down here, you see the body. The body is here, down here. I don't want to share it. This man name is, as you can see, Sunday Ayeni was brutally murdered by Fulani herdsmen at Oba Ikanumu Oke. Okoko yesterday night. This happened on Sunday. Okay. Sorry that the camera is shaking, but I'm trying to make sure that the body of the man did not appear. Okay. If you want to watch it properly, go to Koiki Media. You see, just scroll down, you see the man's body. This is not 2022 news. It's not 2023 news. This Sunday, this is just past weekend. And what happened? Like I said last night, the man is a farmer. Fulani people went to his farmland and killed him. They killed him, not that they killed him first. They destroyed first of all, they destroyed his farm, the crops and his farmland. They destroyed that. And after destroying that, the man complained of what they have done to him and all that. They approached the villagers and the people approached Fulani people and asked them, look at what our brother said that you did in his farm, that your cow did this and this, that. They said, okay, you are going. The man said that he needs compensation. They paid him compensation. They paid some amount of money to him. And that money they paid to him is what led to his death. 1 week later, Fulani revisited his farmland and found him dead. They know when the man normally visits his farmland, and automatically they buy the man in his farm. They destroy they kill the man. You can see his body. The news is here. He is not Igbo man. Nobody, no these Twitters, Afonjas cares about what Fulani do. You know, when we say that Afonja, there's a reason why we call them Afonja. Afonja is sending you your people to Fulani, believing that you are gaining for your personal gain. Because Fulanis are not much, they don't have much people on internet, right? They're in homeland committing what they're known for. But the attention is only on Igbo people, because once you put a comment against Igbo people, of course, it will generate more view, more revenue for you. So they're enjoying that. But the issue at hand, the danger, is staring at them. They ignore that and they think that Igbo people, because you feel that Igbo people are down, so that you can step on them. Be careful. That's all I can say about that. Be careful. None of them say anything about what Fulani, what they're doing. It's not only this one, though. 1 month, 2 months cannot pass without hearing another issue, one evil to another. And the same people are very, very noisy on social media. Another news is this. This man, out of anger, killed his own son because of 100 naira in Ekbe. This hard economy have pushed him, I think, to sin and committed crime so sad. Listen.
All the foaming coming out from his mouth and nose is true. Let him go and bring the cups. He can't run. Yeah, don't come out. He can't run.
I flip the camera because they're going to where the boy lie his body, where they put his body, so we don't bring it here. Eze Obi, sorry, this you change your name. Obi Eze. The first one is Eze, I can see. The second one is Obi. One is BI only. Anyway, I believe it's the same person because it's the same logo. And Kai reporting there. Good morning from here and greetings to all genuine Biafran worldwide. Guys, please hit the like button. Hit like button now. Thanks. God bless you, my brother. Thank you for that. Thank you. Anybody that want to like, will like. Those who will not like, will not like. You can't force them. This guy, is very, very sad. I don't know the demon that possessed this man. You killed your own son for 100 naira. For 100 naira. Anyway, I don't think he's intentional. Something that must be a spirit behind this one. This one is it's unbearable. Very, very sad. Very, very sad. Anyway, let's move to another thing. Let's move to another thing because we have to cover some of those things. And just a moment. Okay, in Mieti Allah Association raised alarm over 11 headers, 33 cattle missing in Anambra State community. Let's go there. This is now in Southeast. The story is that Mieti Allah, they don't have any complaint about what they're doing in the Southwest. No, Mieti Allah is okay with it because that one is favoring them. Claim the landowners and the farmers and put fear in the minds of the other people. Then in Anambra State, they are crying out. Mieti Allah Association raises alarm over 11. Let me flip the camera so you see it together. Mieti Allah Association raises alarm over 11 headers, 33 cattle missing in Anambra State community. Okay, this thing you are seeing here, we can trigger them to go to communities in Anambra State to kill. That's number one. Number two, they are saying this, probably they have not seen their chance to attack. Maybe they have tried and tried and tried, they don't succeed, and they are now raising alarm to see if government will compensate them. And it's not as if after government compensation, they are going to sweep it under the carpet. No, they will still revisit these communities to kill, because to them, revenge of death of cow is human being. They emphasize that MAC band members, I think is it Metiala, whatever, I think, are non-indigenous who have established lawful and visible means of livelihood in state. No fewer than 11 members of the Metiala Cattle Breeders Association of Nigeria have reportedly gone missing along with 33 cows in Anambra. The Mediala and the Association of Non-Indigenous in Anambra State have also refuted claims that two suspected kidnappers recently arrested in Mbakwe, Oka North local government area are affiliated with their organization, okay, which is Mediala. Which is Mediala. So I think, where's the news? Is it gone like this? Okay, say read more. Let me see if there's any other thing. Okay, I think the two groups have called for a through investigation into the alleged kidnaps. They emphasize that MACBN members are non-indigenous who have established lawful and visible means of livestock in state. In a statement signed by Gidado Sidikiti, I don't know, this is not any names, says Sididiki, Deputy Director General of the association stressed that all criminals, regardless of their ethnic or tribe background, should be held accountable under the law. Criminals do not discriminate based on background. They are all solely driven by their potential for ransom. The individuals arrested in this region are unknown to us and are likely affiliated affiliators. Okay, and likely infiltrators. Okay, that is what the Sidiki said. But the truth is that they are Fulanis, they are headers. But he denied they don't know them, because the response from the community is that kidnappers that they caught happen to be part of them, and they're denying they don't know them. He urged security agencies to investigate kidnapping incidents in the state thoroughly and ensure those responsible face the full consequences of their actions. He also noted that 20 cattle belonged to Haruna Muhammad were killed and 13 cows owned by Ibrahim Muhammad went missing along with the owner in the same area. He added that due to the destructive security situation earlier this year, all illegitimate members of this group have since vacated the region. In a separate statement, Prince Chigozie Nweke, president of ANAS, confirmed that their organization maintain a database of all non-indigenous in Anambra State, include members of MACBN, that's Metiala, a group. Okay, so when you hear kidnapping, as you can see here, even the news have it that kidnappers that are being called in Anambra State happen to come from them. And when you watch DOS and IPOB in Nigeria, they are saying a different thing. That, oh, you are causing problem in our region, you are causing this, you are causing that. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? Because they want to cover up that problem to them come from Biafran's PM and Biafran Liberation Army, which is not true. When they see people being murdered somewhere in Cameroon, they will bring the video that they will tell you it happened in Okigwe. It's happening. This is what happened in Imo State, which is a lie. The person that knows how to do that one very, very good is Ikenga knows how to use different video and make it look like this is what is going on and this is what is happening in our land and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, this is what Sahara reporters have to say. Let me see. I think I shared that one. Okay, it's not part of it. Okay. This will be probably the last information we are going to go through this morning. Breaking: how Tinubu lied to Nigerians in nationwide brokers as OPEC data shows oil production is below president claim. Okay, now I don't know if I can expand this. Let's see if it is possible. Okay, or it's not possible. It is quite low. It's quite low. My goodness. I don't know if it's visible to you. Now, January. Do we have another one? Okay, I think I need to work on this later to bring it up so that you will see the difference. Good afternoon, Mazikai. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you, Shamak. Thank you for coming. Thank you. So you see, when PM said that oil are not what it is anymore for them, and different British Army and different are making sure that the strangle economy of Nigeria. That's what PM always say in his. You follow him on S, you see what I'm saying. That is not easy for them to enjoy what they normally enjoy, oil and all that. People say no, you are black, you are bluffing, you are lying, you are bragging, you are making this, you are making that. But it's not clear. The lies from Tinubu about oil production have been exposed. That's what this news is saying. And my people, we are going to round it up now. Thank you so much for your time. That's all we have for you this morning, and we're going to come back again later in the day. Victor, I see you. Mazu, good morning. Good morning to you, Victor. Nice to have you. Please don't forget to like the video before you go and share it. The activities of Biafran government have shut down the oil production, yet they are fond of propaganda. This is identity. Oh, okay, my brother. No wonder. Yes, the oil is down and down for good. That is why I just pray that we go our separate way. I'm being honest. Oil have done more harm than good to Nigeria. The level of corruption we have today is because of oil. Without oil, people would have mind their business and focus on what they can do. Their God-given talent. Oil have done more harm than good. I don't see any good that oil have done to Nigerians or even anybody. And that's why some people still believe that oil is the reason why you are talking about Biafra. No. Because countries that many people are running to, they don't have oil. You understand? We are running to countries that don't have oil. So how can you tell me that oil is why we are talking about Biafra? And people that have the so-called oil, that claim that the oil producer, they have everything, They said some of them are saying they're not even Biafra. So for you to know that it's not about oil, it's about life and property. Okay. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. See you again later. And please don't forget to like the video. Tell us what to think about all we discussed so far, and good morning to you. Bye-bye.